Computer work is by nature corrosive to the human anatomy. Sitting in general is by nature produces a negative effect on our health. Technology typically dictates posture. The placement of that technology dictates posture. It forces us into unhealthy positions, and we hold those positions for extended periods of time. Movement is the key to good health, so we've engineered into the chair multiple levels of movement. The back and its instinctive quality, meaning that it's programmed to behave instinctually. It responds to the micro movements of the human body. It's based on what we call pixelation, which is a matrix of points that actually support the body in space. Those points are based on a calculus relative to the human body, and there's literally an algorithm that has been developed. The narrow back produces an unrestriction of movement, so it enables you to move your arms freely. And then it also enables you to extend your shoulders rearward, open your chest cavity, and gain relief. The seat is different than the back. The principles are relatively the same. But it's based on a point system. Those points translate to the top surface, which is below the textile. And what these points do is they behave independently. It's like an independent suspension in an automobile. It reduces the restriction of blood flow in your lower limbs, thus reducing your resting heart rate. And also what this composite construct produces is a soft edge. And the soft edge is critical to allowing people to behave and sit in a variety of postures. And that soft edge exists in the back. Yeah, I would describe this as a rematerialization of a task chair, meaning that we've used materials that are not necessarily novel, but the way they are applied is very novel. The geometries that are produced and the composition of materials is unique. The layering of materials to produce this humanistic response.